Take our lead, let's help you make your mark. Our goal is your satisfaction. Let us show you the way.
Classic tuna. The problem with Subway's tuna fish sandwich is that it's drenched in mayonnaise. This is problematic not only because it turns the tuna into a soupy ingredient, which kills the texture, but also because it adds enough calories and fat content to render the sandwich unhealthy. 11 April 2017.
Let's help you make your mark.
Subway's tuna sandwich could be unhealthy. Of the 13 sandwiches currently offered by Subway in the U.S., the tuna sub actually contains the second highest amount of fat, 25 grams, and calories, 450. The only sandwich that has it beat is the chicken and bacon ranch, which weighs in at 530 calories and 26 grams of fat. 2 February 2021.
Make your mark, take our lead.
We note for added condiments and cheese in our listing. Fritos chicken enchilada melt with Southwest sauce, 680 calories. Chicken bacon ranch melt with cheese, 570 calories. Big Philly cheesesteak, 550 calories. Meatball marinara with cheese, 530 calories. Spicy Italian with cheese, 530 calories. The 25th of June 2014.
Let's help you make your mark.
Subway's cold cut combo are turkey-based meats of ham, bologna and salami, it read. They are made from turkey, like turkey hot dogs or turkey burgers. Otherwise, you can't get it, and the ham and bologna are also only turkey-based facsimiles. 28 September 2011.
Thank you for watching. Please subscribe and hit the bell notification.